activated state. The values are displayed in dashes after startup. Cruise control also works in the activated state. Sport mode button also works. As soon as the vehicle comes to a stop, the values in the speedometer appear again. Rear view camera works. If you cannot use the reverse gear after installation, this is due to an installation error. Exchange the two software modules. Then the reverse gear works again. After the installation, it is recommended to delete all errors in the control units. An error can only be deleted after the blocker has been uninstalled. Opening the roof works without any restrictions. The engine control light is on when the filter is installed.